Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss some of the question and answers from the topic that we have covered so far. So children, the first question is how cyclones can cause damage, and we have discussed 5 points in this, and these are: the first point is the strong winds in the cyclone pushes the water from the sea towards the shore even when it is hundreds of kilometers away, and this is the first indication or the sign that a cyclone is approaching, and the water waves produced can cause severe flooding. Okay, the next point is the water is lifted to a height of 3 to 12 meters by the low pressure eye of the cyclone, and it appears like a wall of water which enters the low-lying coastal areas, and children, this can cause again severe flooding. Then children, the high-speed wind uproots the trees, electric poles, roofs of the buildings which are weak, and it also damages the buildings, and the communication system is completely destroyed. Then children, it reduces the fertility of the soil by washing away the topmost fertile layer of the soil, and the heavy and continuous rainfall causes the floods or worsens the situation in the already flooded areas. Okay, so these are the major damages which are caused by the cyclones. So let us move ahead to the next question, which is write a short note on tornado. So children, tornadoes consist of twisted funnel shaped clouds and swirling air that reaches from the sky to the ground. Okay children, it reaches from the sky to the ground. It looks something like this, and it is formed suddenly on land, and this is known as a tornado. And children, if a similar tornado like thing is formed on a water body and it looks like a grey giant snake, you call it as a water spout. What do you call it? You call it as a water spout. Okay, and the speed of the winds in a violent tornado is about 300 kilometers per hour, which is very high, and it is capable of causing mass destruction. Okay, and its diameter may vary from a meter to 1 kilometers. Okay, so this can be the range of it. Next children, next question is write a short note on hurricane. So children, hurricane is the name given to cyclone in American continent. Okay, and these cyclones consist of violent and destructive winds, and these are also very, very dangerous. Okay, and can cause massive destruction. Next question is write a short note on typhoon. So children, tropical cyclones which originated in China Sea and they occur in Philippines and Japan are known as typhoons, and they are also very destructive because they contain strong winds. Okay, so that's it guys. These were the question and answers from the topics that we have covered so far.